Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to change your Kia Telluride's 12-volt battery. This is a straightforward task you can do yourself with the right preparation. First, gather your tools. You'll need a 10mm wrench, a 12mm wrench, and a flathead screwdriver. Make sure you have a new Group H7 or 94R battery, often rated at 800 cold cranking amps. Safety is key, so please wear safety glasses and gloves throughout the process. A memory saver can also be helpful to preserve your vehicle's settings. Now let's get started by disconnecting the old battery. First, locate your Telluride's battery, which is typically found under the hood on the passenger side. Using your 10mm wrench, loosen the nut on the negative battery terminal, marked with a minus sign. Once loose, carefully remove the negative cable and ensure it doesn't accidentally touch any metal. Then, repeat this step for the positive terminal, marked with a plus sign. Finally, remove the battery hold-down clamp, usually secured by a 12mm bolt, to free the battery. With the terminals disconnected and the hold-down removed, it's time to take out the old battery. These batteries can weigh around 52 pounds, so lift it carefully and straight out of the tray. Take a moment to inspect the battery tray for any corrosion. Clean it thoroughly with a wire brush and baking soda solution if necessary. Now, gently lower your new Group H7 or 94R battery into the clean tray. Reinstall the hold-down clamp, tightening its 12mm bolt to secure the battery firmly in place. We're almost done. Now, let's connect the new battery. Remember to always connect the positive terminal first. Attach the positive cable to the new battery's positive post and tighten the 10mm nut securely. Next, connect the negative cable to the negative terminal and tighten that nut as well. Give both terminals a gentle tug to ensure they are tight and won't come loose. Finally, double-check that all tools are clear from the engine bay before closing the hood. You've successfully changed your Kia Telluride's battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.